Let's continue AWS IAM team. In this session, we are going to see what is role and how to create a IAM role and how to attach IAM policy to IAM role. Okay, let me explain. Let me explain diagrammatically. Let's say this is my AWS cloud. AWS cloud. In this AWS cloud, I have 200 plus services. 200 plus services. Okay, let's say a service called uh, AWS Glue, a service called AWS Blue wants to communicate with two services. Means, let's say it want to read data from S3. It want to read data from S3. If required, it want to write the data into S3 per stage, and final output it want to write it into Redshift. Let's say this is the requirement. Redshift. Final result. Blue want to write it into AWS Redshift. This is the requirement. By default, a service cannot have permission to other service. A AWS service cannot have permission to connect other service. So here we are going to create a IAM role. AWS IAM role. We will create AWS AWS IAM role. For this role, we are going to attach two policies. Let's say role 1. Let's say we will attach S3 policy and we will attach Redshift policy. Then we will attach this role. We will attach this role to this role 1 to blue job so that it can communicate with S3, it can communicate with Redshift. So by default, a service in AWS cannot have a permission to communicate other service in AWS. So for what we are going to do in AWS IAM, we are going to create a role. We will attach required policies. Then we will attach that role to corresponding service job. So that job can uh, communicate with whatever the policies we assigned. Okay. Let's say practically how we can create a role, how we can attach a policy, how we can attach a role to service. Okay. Let's say practically. Let me open AWS Cloud. I already logged into AWS Cloud. So this is my AWS Cloud. Let's say here I'm opening AWS IAM service. In AWS IAM service, left side you can see role. In this role, I am going to create a role. Let's say create a role. See here, you can see this is AWS service role or custom trust policy or AWS account. We are creating allow AWS service like friend services. We can choose a service. I am choosing service called Blue. So Blue. I am choosing service called Blue and click on next. Then attach policy. I am attaching S3 full permission. Okay. Then I am choosing policy Redshift full permission. Then click on next. Then give a name. Give a name. I am giving name is, let's say, uh, Blue Akkem Sreenivas hyphen Blue hyphen role 1. Okay. Then click on create a role. So role is created. So we created a role. We attached policies to role. Now let's open a Blue job. Search Blue here and open a Blue. So go to Blue tab and start creating a Glue job. Let's say ETL job. Then I am creating ETL job. Okay, here give a ETL job name. Let's say AWS Glue S3 Redshift S3 Redshift ETL job dot py. Then go to job details. Job details. Here let's scroll down. Here you can select a ETL job. Akkem Sreenivasa hyphen glue hyphen role 1. Then click on save. Click on save. So now you can write a glue job script to communicate with S3 to communicate with Redshift. Now your glue job having a capability to communicate with S3 to communicate with Redshift. Clear, right? How to create a role, how to assign policy to role, and how to assign role to service.